Right guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enhance your thumbnails so you can make them more clickable. If you can see here, this is the thumbnail completely generated, AI generated, and I generated by like it's another whole video, but you can see that you can get the idea. I just generated using AI from Nano Banana Pro, of course. So you can see here like there is nothing wrong with it. It's just some colors and some details. There is some missing details a lot right here. If you can see the logo of the Lamborghini, and the composition is kind of good, like let's do a roll of third quickly like this. Yeah, something like this. If you can see the rule of third, it's kind of messed up. We need to make this guy look here and the girl bigger. If you can see here, like we need like to make this girl bigger and the Lamborghini, of course. So what I did right here in this thumbnail, I want to explain to you, like, so I cut this girl, I make it bigger and trying to do the shadow, so yeah, and make the background bigger. It's basically like just cut the guy and cut the girl. The background with the Lamborghini, it's still like constant, but I just make the background bigger and do some camera filter. You can see the difference between this and these green leaves or trees, more popful and vibrant. The guy here, what I did, the guy is basically face retouching. I just did a face retouch for him and some light, source of light, and upscale, of course. I replaced the logo, the mist logo you can see here. I just replace it with another real logo and blending up. Yeah, so it's basically some tricks gonna make the thumbnail bigger like this. Some retouch here, even though the quality is like shit, but you get the idea. And if you can see right here, it's play a huge role. Look at this, bro. Like literally the same one, by the way. It's just, you look at this, it's just some color and something that changed the whole thing. I'd make it like you can see, make it better by like 40%, literally in the more. And this time I'm gonna got, of course, a good CTR between this, like exactly this. Look ultra realistic, I get it, but it's not eye catching. So you need to literally think about this and pay more attention. First of all, we generate the image. The first image is right here. What I did is delete the guy and cut it, of course, before delete it, and cut the girl, of course, make it bigger and trying to maintain the same shadow, the same details, same everything. I did the camera filter into the background. After that, I did some curves right here to retouch the skin and some light. I don't like the lights as robot, you get the idea. And if for the guy, the same thing, we do the vibrant to color his eyes. Basically, you're gonna go to vibrant layer and doing this in the last minus 100 and use legacy, make it check this out. And yeah, some curves to light, to bright, to dodge, and some another curves to burn, and exposure to light. So exposure is a game changer, look. And we go to the logo here. I just bring a logo from Google. As you know, you can get everything in Google, and do some, make it blend more, and yeah. Then I got here and doing this literally the magic. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright guys, this is the website called, not a website, it's like AI tool. You can download it local in your PC called Saber Diffusion. You can download it and like GitHub, I don't know, I'm gonna leave the link down below to get this version especially. I'm gonna, this is like a model or checkpoint you can call it. I think you can call it like a model, like Saber Diffusion basically is like, imagine it, the car, and you can put engines. The engine is the checkpoint or the this. You can put any you can download whatever you want. But for me, I just tried this and I found it cool for my PC because my PC is, it's not the best. So yeah, you're gonna go here, image to image. You're gonna paste this prompt. This is the negative and this is the positive. So the positive is what you want and the negative is what you do not want to AI to create. Here you can upload whatever you want, any picture. Let's try this. Let's try this picture. Let's try this image. Let's try this. It's basically this image, and look at the details. After that, you're gonna do this. You're gonna do this settings like me exactly. Like do it like this and hit generate. It took time. It's up to your PC. If you got a higher VRAM and high RAM in your GPU and your memory, so yeah, it's gonna be quick for you. And this model, as I said, it's not that big for PCs. It's medium PC like me, maybe 16 gigabyte of RAM, 8 gigabyte of VRAM. It's enough for this. You're gonna wait around 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It depends on the raw image this and the setting this, but this is like the best what I found. You're gonna get the quality and you're gonna get like the speed in the same time. You can lower this, the width and the height. You can make 1080p, 720p. I make it 2K because I want a high quality, so I don't need to upscale it again. So yeah, basically guys, you're gonna get this result. And the thing is, the hair is gonna be more smooth. Look. And the skin, look at the skin. What you're gonna do is just mask it like this, using this brush, soft brush tool, the flow, make it, I don't know, like make it 50 around this. You can here like change the hair, make it more smooth. You can change the skin. What I like about it is the skin, bro. Look, especially like the lights and the glow areas. Look how it's gonna make them smooth and blend them for you. So yeah, look at it, look, bro, look at the arm, make it more soft. It's basically the same with Kera's AI. But this is paid. That's Kera is paid to Stable Diffusion is completely for free. You can generate many image as you like. You're just gonna use your local requirement or your local hardware. So yes, sir. Yeah, guys. So yeah, doing this, of course, the eyebrows. If you want your subject not change that much, you can just remove the eye area, because the eye area is the most thing you're gonna change the face, especially the eyebrows. You can just remove them. For me, I like it. Look, bro, what the fuck? There is no details here. Look, as I said to you guys, look. Make everything smooth, blend well, the hair, everything. Look, bro, even though the Lambo gonna make it more smooth, remove every like miss area like this, miss pixels. It's basically free tool and you need to try it, guys. I promise you. So yeah, basically after that's done, you're gonna go this website. It's basically you can use Magnificent Precision V2 tool. You can use it completely for free, and you're gonna need an account, and they give you daily credit, 100 credit right now, like this. And you can make teams. The teams is very simple. You're gonna click join and make the name of team, the team icon, and hit next. I got 4 teams, so you can basically go up to 4 5 teams or so. The max is 4 teams, so that's 500 with the main account, so that's 500 credit daily, and this costs around 65 credits. So per account you're gonna get 1 upscale. So this is, as I said, Magnificent Precision V2 tool. It's the most powerful from FreePick. You can change this, something like you can change the details here. You can only upscale up to 2 times. You can't go 4. You need to pay. As I said, you need to pay for them, but we don't need to pay. You just need to do 2x. I already did it right here. Okay, I did it right here. So look, it's very powerful. Look, it's upscale and everything with us. Yeah, look at the details here. Look at the girl. Everything is well blended. So yeah, guys, this is the tutorial for today's video. So don't forget to drop the like, and if you want to join my Discord, join it, bro. You're not gonna regret it. It's a brand new Discord. I'll show you guys. And if you're a thumbnail designer or content creator, YouTuber, like make content, you want to enhance your packaging, you want to enhance your CTR, just join my Discord server. You can get here Photoshop help. There is people gonna help you here. The resource, I put literally like a good resource like thumbnails hook, 3 thumbnail hooks, swipeable concepts like this. You can use them in your own videos so you can go viral and improve your click-through rates, so you can get more views. More views means more subs means more sales or more monetization, fast monetization. You know what I mean? So yeah, bro, you don't regret it. Join the server, the link down below.